Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail for house party. Set up a simple station with bottles, mixers, ice, tools, and a printed recipe sheet. I recommend selecting one signature drink plus a safe non-alcoholic option so guests feel included. Measure and batch where possible to save time, and use clear labels to avoid confusion. Keep chilled pitchers and a tasting portion for guests to sample. Start by assembling basic tools so you can work smoothly and confidently during the party. A jigger ensures balanced 5 Oz and 0, 75 Oz pours, and a shaker with strainer speeds production. Keep a bar spoon and muddler for stirred or muddled cocktails, and a sharp knife plus cutting board for citrus and herbs. Place tools at the station edge for quick access and safety to avoid spills. Batching is the best time saver for serving many guests without stress. Scale a recipe up into a chilled pitcher, mix gently, and taste to adjust sweetness or acidity before serving. Label each pitcher with ingredients and garnish so helpers can serve accurately, and reserve a small non-alcoholic pitcher for designated drivers. Provide ice on the side and stir, or shake individual pours if a fresher sip is desired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.